I'm Tony Brooks. I'm one of the lecturers here at East Sussex College, Hastings. Here in Paint and Decorating department, we cover level 1, level 2 and level 3 paint and decorating courses. The skills that we cover on those courses range from preparation of surfaces, where we prepare lots of different types of surfaces with all different sorts of materials, and we move on to paper hanging, basic surfaces such as walls and ceilings, and we do units also on access equipment, colour and decorative specialist finishes. Our learners tend to start at level 1 and progress to level 2 full-time programmes, and there's even the opportunity to progress to a level 3 programme. Many of our students will find jobs in the local industry and they will undertake an apprenticeship whereby they will work with the company 4 days a week and come to college 1 day a week to do their studies. We have 12 purpose-built cubicles in our workshop, and each of those cubicles has a number of design features that enable you to decorate surfaces such as ceilings, covings, flat wall areas, a chimney breast, skirtings, doors and windows, just as you would find in the real working environment. We've also got other resources around the college and around the workshop, such as panels and large wall areas to undertake different decorating skills. We try to imitate the industry as closely as possible. There are some limitations in that, so where we can't do that, you will be undertaking as a student here 30 hours minimum work experience with a local company to give you a feel of what it's like to work as a decorator out in industry. All our courses are set up to prepare you for work in the real world of paint and decorating. The 3 members of staff here that are teaching at the moment are all success stories from this college themselves. They've all been students here, myself included, been out to work in industry and coming back to work as teachers here at the college. We also, every year, we have a number of students that complete studies with us, go on and get jobs in the industry or move on to apprenticeships. And we've got a number of students that now run their own businesses locally and take our students on at the end of the courses as apprentices and put something back into the industry by way of employing our students and helping with their education. So many of our students go on and stay locally and set up their own businesses. It's desirable that you have the highest level of maths and English in order to undertake a course here at Paint and Decorating. However, the level, if you have struggled with maths and English in the past and you're still working on maths and English, you can start one of our level 1 paint and decorating programs, but you will continue to study maths and English up until the age of 19 or to a point at which you've reached a functional skills level 2 or GCSE at level 4. All of our painting and decorating courses, full-time courses, run on 3 days a week. 1 day will be maths and English. On the other 2 days will be a combination of time spent in the workshop with your practical studies and some time spent in the classroom working on the theory elements to the course. There are a number of trips that we do with this course. We have been to the Paint and Decorating show at Coventry, which is a long day out. At the start of the year, we go over to Brewers Decorating Centre over at Eastbourne, and we have a day there seeing how a local decorating supplier works and their links to the industry. We also have people come into the college to talk to you from local industry. We have employers coming in very often. Representatives from local suppliers and manufacturers will come in and often give you talks and show you a little about their product and how it works. And this all helps you get links to the local, not only the local suppliers in the area, but the sort of tools and materials that are being used in the industry. Thanks very much for watching. I hope to see you soon on a paint and decorating course here. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate and get in contact. I'm sure we'll get back to you straight away with any help that we can. Thank you.